Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the latest iOS 27 update. As you all know that Apple has introduced their latest iOS 27. Now if you want to download your iOS 27 and you are having the problem related to that, for example, if you are trying to download and install the iOS 27 on your iPhone, and as you click on that download button and it stucks on update requested. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the network settings, and for this what you have to do, you have to simply click on the here Wi-Fi connection, and you have to make sure that it is working properly. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply turn it off again. And after that what you have to do next is you have to simply open the settings here. So in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on that, and here you can simply click on reset, and here you have to reset all of your network settings. And after you have reset all of your network settings, you can simply turn on the airplane mode. And after that, you can simply click on the general mode again. And after that, you can simply click on software update. And this time, you have to click on the update requested again. And after that, you have to wait for some time so that your update download can start it. And after that, you have to wait for some time. And if you have to make sure that you have connected to a proper and speedy internet connection, because sometimes a low speed internet can also delays your update. So you have to make sure about that. So hope you have liked this video. Get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.